Okay, so went to lunch, came back, it's all dry. The can says it dries in 5 minutes. I'd give it a little more just to be safe, but let's see what happens here. Putting primer on, my favorite Bullseye primer, right, by Zinsser. This wall was primed before I put the orange peel on. Not the whole wall, just my repair. Wow, I'm an artist. That is, I can't tell where my patch is. It just disappeared. So, Homax oil-based orange peel to repair a texture on your wall. Light coats of very fine pattern. I used fine pattern and I used low pressure on the can. That's a job well done right there.